Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about a stash. But before that we have to understand in which scenario we can use stash. Let's try to understand it with this example. So I'm working on a feature and this feature changes will take around 2 to 3 hours. I already start working on it, I spend 1 hour, and then in mid of that I got one small request. That small request I can complete within a minute. In this scenario, we can use stash to save our work in progress, and then we'll work on the high priority item. We'll complete it within a minute, and then we'll again take the stash data back to the working directory and continue working on the feature. Now let's see the demo. So here I have two files. One is apple and orange. Both of these are part of my initial commit and both of these files are empty. So if I will check git status, it will be clean and there is nothing here. Now let's say changes what I have to make for apple. This one will take 2 to 3 hours. So I start working on this. I give the topic name like apple and something I will write here like this is an example. And let's say 1 hour is gone. Now I got one high priority request. Here check, I can see this file has been modified, and high priority request is just to add topic to the orange file, nothing else, just the topic name I have to mention here. So this is a small request. For apple, maybe I have to do a lot of research and find out what is the benefit and resources, lot of things I have to do for apple file. So in this case I can stash my changes what I have done for apple file. So git stash, this will change and save it to some working state. Now I'll see here apple file is again empty. It's like going back to the initial stage. Now here I will update the topic name here. This is a small request. I will just update the topic as orange. I will save this file, and now I will check back here and I can see only one change that is done on the orange file. This change I will add and I will commit. So this way my small request is done, and let me just add the commit message here like topic added to orange. And now if I will again check status, I can see it's again clean. And but you remember earlier we have already added 2 lines into apple file that we have a stash. Here it's empty right now. So in order to get back those changes, I have to use git stash apply, and this will bring all the change what I have done for apple file. So if I will open this apple file, I can see that these 2 lines are here, and if I want, maybe I can add one more line in this file. Let me reopen and just adding one more line, just like that. I will save it, and then I will go back to the command line, and here I will do git status, and I can see this file has been modified. So this way it will help us to work on high priority items. Thank you for watching.